Latest venue to host one of the biggest rivalries in Group 2. Toss was won by Babar Azam.
Generally when Afridi takes a wicket in the first over and win, or the team that is playing for win, that's what Pakistan will be looking to do.
And they're away. Oh, gone, surely gone, yes! First blood, Pakistan! What a beauty, full and straight!
This has been a weakness with Rohit.
What a beauty! Fire! They cannot play him. Both openers are gone. And the Indian
balls.
That's the away move for Surya Kumar. Continue, but Hassan Ali's arm. It's a good catch too.
Surya Kumar
sitting underneath it, takes just the right time. Rishabh decided to back himself as a wrong ball.
It's a big wicket. Shadab Khan help. Rishabh Pant 39 of 34.
Should be taken, mid-wicket cut from Hassan Ali. Evening, but that's two for him. Jadeja's gone. Shaw gone. Oh, he's in the game with the old ball. Kohli.
50 seconds.
In the air, there's two fielders. Go for it. Catch in the end.
Tremendous bowling once again.
He is set up perfectly to beat India for the first time.
Rizwan has been in brilliant form since he started opening.
20, ranked number 2, and if he gets...
No, it's the right call. Lovely. Very fine.
Especially leg side. He's developed his pickup shot.
It's almost as if no energy or very...
And it's just clear the Barsha was building and someone had to release a ball. And that shot has done just that from Babar Azam.
Like I said, that's the shot under the boundary. Got all wickets in hand. That's what they need to do.
Babar send and gets to 50.
Azam, so much comparison between Virat. Exactly the kind of incentive that the Pakistan captain needed. RBI. That's a terrific innings from.
Short and thumb.
That's going to be another boundary.
Time through the 50, 52 or 41, the pull shot.
And then 40 kilometers per hour shot from Rizwan. So both the openings.
Well, how high was that? You want to look at that, but it doesn't matter. High enough to go beyond the ropes. Like that. Be the moment. This is the moment. And we'll celebrate as will these two. We are a wonderful opening partnership. Clinical and extremely skillful.
Moment, take it all in. It's of pain and hate. Finally, you've been your journey, though. Remember that.
151 for 7 was never going to be enough for India.
Zealand, another toss. Babar Azam won it, decided to bowl. Group 2, coming to you from Sharjah, it's Pakistan. Fast. Oh, slower ball, and it's found with a limb.
Wider on the crease, and it disappeared.
Delivery. It's almost a half sweep.
There it was. Didn't. What about down the ground for 6?
Was base off, but too full. Smack.
And in half a dozen more.
Smacked out of his presence.
Oh, again it's done. Slashed away for 4.
6 is last over this one. Too short, too wide. Malik 2.
Very good side. This is high, hard, handsome. Miles from Malik. First with the ball, and then for the most part.
Man just loves entertaining. New ball to Shaheen.
Oh, it's flat out, Shaheen. It's not out.
Oh, Ralph takes the catch in Pakistan. And he was nowhere near middling the ball. Oh, has he got enough? Babar Azam takes the catch. Shafridi strikes. He hasn't been for Shazad. He catch it. He's on to kill him in his land.
And Pakistan, you're playing it in their hands.
What an atmosphere there is out there. Real lights.
not big enough.
147 for 6.
Need 148 to win.
51 at a strike rate of 128.
That 122. Second. Oh, it's this. That.
Bit more. Hard, handsome. Now, who says knock it round for one?
Knock it into the stands.
Goes Hansen, grandstand for 6. This time leg side, short to Janet, and paid the price. No.
Over 6 dots.
Grant for City Valley. Start 24-3 from 3. Gets.
What an excellent. Leave it to me. 7 balls, 20. Remarkable hitting. It really is.
They won the toss, 147 for 6 on the back of that.
Of the Super 12s and
we're gonna bat first.
okay, interesting.
And the cover drive of Babar Azam. Save your legs, that's 4. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That is huge, that is fast hands, that is out of the ground.
We've actually gone to the offside, but
Power play.
Oh, that's a biggie. That could be one for the road. One for the road.
Goes leg side, in the gap, boundary.
For him, though, he's a timer off the ball, hitting the bottom of the bat. Excellent shot.
Medium pace, can have the batter shuffling down.
Mohammad Hafiz with a big one.
Smokes this. What a beautiful swing of the blade.
Oh, yes! That is a shot. It's in the gap. Pakistan cutting loose here.
That is a 6. I was going to say a problem. But over the bowler's head. Well, it's been timed it better than Babar, actually. Oh, that's a very good hit. That really is a good hit. But really, this is Shoaib Malik on strike. That's why you can't overpitch. Because it costs you 6. Right in the game. They really haven't. And he just blisters it. I think it's dead. Into the pitch it goes. Down the ground. Stay back he does. And away it flies. Who celebrate with gusto.
he's watching it and he's smashing it.
Back he goes again. Gives that a good stagnated at the beginning. Off flying.
Field leg side.
Oh, hello. It's brilliant. He goes short. He pays that fabulous fun. Shoaib Malik. 2, because it was looking more like 150 at one stage. Bowled him. He's done it.
Goes with the off-cutter. 6th time out of his last 7 innings he's been bowled. Some cricket. Run out at the bowlers. Matthew Cross.
Catch it!
Out!
Very tame innings. George Munsey never gets.
Oh, it's gone!
Totally out, Fox bemused.
Gone.
Yeah, gave himself room from the bat. Yeah, just too much.
Dragged on.